Oh boys, I'm not even sure this is a good idea. Let's compare trailers to the Pug 1 Inwood Customs. I mean, this is well before this was 2008 when we built this one here, but let's look at the custom corners on this guy. We're getting the light here. I gotta show you this. Like, this is a really heavy duty corner, right? You can see it's just like a bent piece of sheet metal, like not even very thick at all too. Oh my goodness. Oh, but then they've just like, you know, it's not even angle iron, it's another bent piece of sheet metal that they've just welded into the corner. Right, look at the corner on the one I did. 1B7 friggin' square tube 2-side with a triangle potato, and then I put this on top. I never did do it, but I put this on top because I was gonna put like a friggin' lift 'em crane, so as I could, you know, lift the friggin' what's it stuff in there, and it would have been awesome. But you know, fenders care best to be Santas, so you know, I mean, it is what it is. Fender's a fender, right? But yeah, like this, the thickness, you can't buy a trailer like this. This is a little bit, you know, I mean, it's all, you know, cheap and flimsy. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing, boys. I'll be honest with you. Guy's on his way right now to buy it. Oh no. Oh no, the MTO does not like it. I mean, this trailer looks the part. You know, you're looking at that, look at that. These guys are awesome. You show up there with this and it's all dicked and spray painted and dented and bent and rusty and cocked. You know, there's rust holes in the fenders, rust holes in the floor. We pitchy-patchied it a couple times, you know. She got a nice spare tire on her though. Friggin' I got a few of these from a yard sale one time for free. A guy was just giving them away. Well, that's a good spare tire. Got a little guy into her, no big deal. But oh yeah, my bar and my jug of poop. Can't be having my hunk of pipe there, bud. I'll put this in the scrub. Oh, I almost barfed. You see that? Holy cow, you guys. I'm tripping out. Fucking old dumpy, boys. No. Old dumpy, come on. Say it ain't so. Say it ain't so, boys. Look at how heavy duty this unit is too. So many lives left into it. This, oh nice. Somebody just dumped like a pile of screws in here. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm just ecstatic about that. Like goof. Oh my god. What a fucking pile of shit. Oh, and Crawdad too. Listen to this. Listen to this. He brings over this bench. My mom wanted him to refinish this, right? So like all the wood is completely dickered, you know what I mean? Like it's like feather wood now, right? So my dad doesn't have any time. Crawdad, no time. So he figures, oh, I'm gonna bring it over here. So then he's got like a whole bunch of screws in the back of his truck, and I'm like, oh, what's that? Well, you got screws all. He's like, oh, that stupid bench. You can't even touch it. It just showers screws all over the ground and everywhere. And I just thought to myself, what in X name would you bring that here for then? Oh, maybe you can refinish it. What? What makes you think I have time for this fucking horse shit? You know what I mean? So now, like all these little screws that are supposed to be holding onto the wood, like you touch it, see how that, and now that is just falls out. That just falls out. See, you just touch the wood, it falls out. So Crawdad thought this needed to be here where I park my trailers and trucks and stuff. Idiot! Holy fuck. Some movers do have them, boys. Let me tell you about some times about some movers and how they have them, you know what I mean? Poor Crawdad. Yeah, he got friggin' mad at me because I was teasing him. Crawdad's freaking out. What's up with that? I think I got a blown head gasket. Did I tell you? I think my truck's got a blown head gasket, boys. The whole time I think that's why they sold it to me. And the whole time I've just been driving with a blown head gasket, and that's why the heater core blew. That's why, you know, now that the heater core is replaced, when you start the truck, I mean, this just gets rock hard. So I got to do the old, you know, the colorful juice in the guy, and you put the stuff in the guy and it changes color when the tooch goes through the guy. I got one of those, so we're gonna do that one of these days, and that'll be freaking awesome. Well, it won't be awesome because I'm sure it'll turn colors and we'll have to do a head gasket. So I hope you're happy about that. But yeah, buddy's on his way to get old Dumpy, and I'm tripping out. So, oh, I hope this new trailer, I mean, it's, you know, I don't know, what do you do, right? You gotta keep up with the times, boys. You gotta stay with the times if you're gonna play with the big dogs, eh? If you're gonna play with the big dogs and different things, you know what I mean? But I don't want people think we're Zavits or something, just a straight crackhead, you know? Just a methamphetamine bum pirate / goof, you know what I mean? Yeah, when buddy comes, we'll son of a bitch recruit him. Not too bad. I'm starting to have third thoughts. Hey?
Hey,
how you doing?
Hey, Sam. Good.
Yeah.
What's this one?
Oh, you're gonna be a star.
What star?
Well, on my movie. Yeah.
No, I come for the camera, for the trailer.
Trailer, yeah. I'm starting to have third thoughts though.
Yeah, because
Yeah, you want to see
what's
why?
your name?
Chris.
I am Haysam.
How's it?
Haysam or Sam. Sam.
Sam? Sam.
You know, I tell you something for Sam. Before I deliver stuff to United States,
Yeah.
there's the people, Arabic people, Haysam, Hussein, Hassan, everybody Sam. He
Yeah.
come a guy, one guy is American guy, his name Mark, Sam. All people Arabic is Sam.
Oh dear.
And I am here with Mr. Chris. This is my son.
Right?
Now we left the battery with me.
Oh, I need it for my other trailer.
We need it also. We have too much stuff. We need some water. Okay. Only I want to tell you something for the blade. There's no problem in the highway for the blade.
Well, I got to take that plate off too, because it's not even there. Because I got pulled over by the MTO and they took the plate off it. Okay, you'll have to come back.
Okay, I come back.
Just a little bit.
Oh, exactly. Professional, Mr. Chris.
Right. I'm tripping out about selling my dump truck. 18 years I've had this. Look at this dent right there. I did that one. And this one here, we did all these. I think I gouged that up with the skid steer a little bit. You know what I mean? Look at this, boys. Oh, look at in there too. Nice. Look at the patina, boys. That's just patina, that, you know? That's barely any patina. Oh, when I welded these on, they friggin' the door wouldn't open all the way, so I had to reverse the corner. Pretty sweet. What happened? Big dent there, crunch that right in. Huh? What happened?
You don't have anyone?
No, I don't know.
You don't have one?
No. I got one on my pintle hitch. See, there's one on my pintle hitch right
In
there.
your shop. You can put it anyone with
A nut and a bolt. I don't think I got long ones that skinny.
Okay.
Right on, man.
Sunny meet you. We come see you again for sure for this one, but this one 60% I think.
All right, on.
No, because I have guys for the stone.
Right.
We can talk to him all together for that. Yalla, bye bye. See you.
Okay, right on, man. Thanks a lot. Oh man, I don't know, you guys. What have I done? What have I done? Oh no, I'm not even joking. I got like a pit in my stomach. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Somebody's parked their Cummins turbo diesel right in my driveway. Look at that. Holy suffering. Who does this? Who does that to a guy? Look at that. Here it goes, boys. Oh no, what have I done? What have I done? Hey? Sounds good. Right on, man. Dumpy's last load, boys. Look at this. Oh yeah. Oh, the brakes work sweet. Just did a friggin' rip roaring on right on my grass. Blinker works. Look at that. Fuck. Hey, what are you talking about? MTO told me the brakes don't work. Well, actually, what it was just the brake controller. So I changed that. I changed that to one of those Kakachuchi ones, eh? Oh, let's have a look. Now we got this guy here. Eh? The fucking Voyager, boys. The Takancha. Nice. Hey, we just had some freaking garbagey one in there before, but oh, friggin' right. Okay, now we got to go get. We'll switch trailers, and we'll go and get the other guy. Well, I got to drop a skid steer off. Okay, we'll park this one, drop that one, park this one, load the skid steer on that one, drop the skid steer off, and then pick up the digger, and then we're gonna go, boys.